Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to get some cool feature of VirtualBox like a driver support or sharing your host folder to your virtual machine. So those features you can get if you install VVox Guest Edition. So to install that, just click on devices and click on insert guest edition CD image. Let me switch to full screen, and here you can see driver is not supported and you can see some blank space in left and right hand side. I have added that CD. If I now go to this PC and here you can see VirtualBox guest, just double click on it. Sometimes it auto run start and you will get the installation screen, but sometimes you don't. Just open that folder and as per your requirement, if it is 64-bit, just install this. Double click on this installer and click on yes and simply next. If you want to change the location you can, but most of the time we keep it default. So just click on install. It will reboot the system after installation, and once it is rebooted you can see it's a flashing, so the display driver is getting installed. So once it is rebooted you can share your host files directly to the VirtualBox. Means you don't have to copy paste the files. When we copy paste the files, a big file for installation media or something, then it consumes your disk space. So that's one thing, and another thing is you will get the full screen of your VirtualBox VM. Now it has a driver installed, so now you can see if I just minimize, it has a cool window, and you don't need to scroll you cannot see the scroll bar over here now. So the driver is installed, and if I now go to full screen, I will get a full screen view, but I cannot show you because it's recording in that pixel 4:3, so it is not visible. But now you cannot see the black spot and right and left hand side. Okay. Now if you want to share your host folder, you can just go to settings, and under share folder you can mount any folder, so you can choose path from here, and let's click on ISO file. Let's select documents, select folder. You can make it read only, and it is recommended so that you don't delete any file, important file by mistake. And auto mount, it is going to auto mount this folder path. I can give it mount path, but that is not mandatory. And make it permanent, so whenever you are going to start this VM, it is going to mount this folder. Click on OK, and now if I go to this PC, you will see over here documents. Okay, so I don't have to copy, I can just simply run any application or something you are testing. Okay, so this is how you are gonna get some cool feature of VirtualBox by installing this guest edition. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.